Hi, I'm Dean, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make an origami iris. For this project you will need white glue, a hot glue gun, scissors, ruler, a bamboo skewer, pencil, a small twig to be used as the stem. In this example I've painted mine green, one sheet of origami paper that is green on both sides, and two triangular sheets of origami paper to be used for the flower itself. Now, origami paper usually comes in squares, but it's pretty easy to convert them. Let me show you how to do that now. Start by folding your paper in half, unfold it, and lay it white side up. Next, measure one side of your origami paper. This standard sheet of paper in the example is 15 centimeters. Next, align your ruler such that one side is in the lower right hand corner and the left side is along the middle line formed by the crease, and its length is 15 centimeters. Once you have this aligned, mark it with a pencil. Repeat this on the other side. With a pair of scissors, cut along the marked lines. And there you have your triangle. Take one piece of paper, white side up, and fold it in half. Rotate it and fold it in half again. Rotate it again, and for a third time, fold it in half. Grasp the sides from below and squeeze. This will form a shape similar to a pyramid. Open one of the three flaps by sticking your finger in it. Open it up and flatten it. Lay it flat and fold over the top edge. Repeat this process 2 more times with the other 2 flaps. You should now have a diamond-shaped piece of paper. Lay the paper flat on the table and fold over the edges until it is white on the left side and colored on the right. Fold over one of the white edges and then the other. Open it back up, lift the center up, and fold the sides back in. Repeat this process 2 more times. Repeat with a second piece of paper. Open up one piece of origami and place the other piece inside of it, slightly offset, such that the petals are interleaved. The flap from the top piece should fit into the leaf of the bottom piece. With your bamboo skewer, curl each petal. Fold and unfold your green piece of paper along the diagonal. Then cut along the line. Repeat this process to form 2 smaller triangles. On your green triangle, fold up approximately 1/8 of an inch. Flip the paper over and repeat the process. Continue until you've consumed the entire sheet of paper. Fold in half and secure with a drop of glue. Repeat with a second piece of paper. With a hot glue gun, assemble as shown.